Welcome to plan design. This another ground floor and first floor plan. This ground floor plan and this first floor plan. First floor plan 3 bedroom and 1 family living, and ground floor plan 1 guest bedroom, kitchen, service room, dining room, and big hall. And this we will see our ground floor plan and this first floor plan. This first floor plan and this ground floor plan. This plan we are step here, and this number of 4 pillar column for design arch, this floor tile design, and this our majlis area, hall area 470 by 650. This is our window with design window, frame design window. You see this projection for outside elevation design, and this side also window. Here our dining, this slide door, our dining, and this window here also. This dining, this toilet 230 by 170, and this dining 470 by 540. Here window given, and here also window for ventilation. This side, this is our entrance lobby 460 by 300. This is our guest bedroom 400 by 370 centimeters, and this is our wonderful window frame, and this dress area 180 by 180. In this bathroom 180 by 210, and this window for shower side, shower tray side for ventilation. This is staircase, and here also entrance for dining. This is staircase design going first floor. This kitchen 300 by 350. This entrance. This window, kitchen window, 2 division frame, and this is our servant room 280 by 220. This back side entrance 130 by 120, common servant bathroom. Back side entrance this side, and kitchen entrance this side. And this first floor, we are here. First floor lobby 200 by 640. This wide lobby, and family living 480 by 460. This 3 division, and this bedroom 450 by 400. And this dress area 200 by 240, common bathroom. This window design, 2 window for ground floor to first floor, 1 frame for elevation design. Here our window, this stair, this side window, and this side window for frame design. Again here this bedroom, dress, and 210 by 200 centimeter, 470 by 400 centimeter bedroom. This window this side. This big size master bedroom, this side window, and this side window. This dress area 250 by 250 centimeter, and this bathroom 210 by 250. This wonderful floor plan design. First floor plan 3 bedroom, ground floor plan 1 bedroom, kitchen, servant room, lobby, big dining, big hall, and attached common bathroom. So this floor plan cover boundary area and for good design, for good service, for kitchen separate service room, servant room. I hope you like this plan. Like and share, subscribe. Thank you.